Welcome back to my channel. You've probably seen on one of my previous videos an in-ear canal type earbuds, which I'm not really a fan of. So today I've managed to find some open ear design, which are very rare. So far there is only one available. Apart from these, it's open ear design. That's the Apple AirPods. Virtually all the others, the hundreds, are in-ear canal type. So today is a quick unboxing and a quick little look at these. It's the Sabre X12 design. So let's get the package open. It's the BAT X12 Pros. Bit of a Chinese instruction on one side and in English the other. They come in various colours, and you can also get various different sort of styles on them as well. Bluetooth 5.0. How to connect them up, which we'll do that in a moment. And here are the earbuds. As you can see, slightly different. Design. So that's the both of them. They've got little buttons. And that's the case. USB-C. That's the hinge. Good little seal, magnetic seal, and a charging light. And it's got some charging lights on the back. Extra plastic little covers to help them stay in your ears with some wings. Little case, and yeah, a USB-C small charging case. So to pair these earbuds, click on Bluetooth, and there we are, Sabat X12 Pro. Connected calls and media audio. And that's as easy as it is to connect them both. What's the time? What's the time? Here's a Sabat X12 inserting in my ear, and they feel very light, but even shaking my head and yawning, chewing, they still securely stay in my ear. There's no movement whatsoever. And the little click button on the side. On the right or left, one short press is play, pause, or answer and hang up. On the right and left, long press for 2 seconds will boot up your assistant, and with mine that's Google Assistant. On the left and right, long press 4 seconds, power off. On the right, double click for next song. On the left, double click previous song. And on the right, triple click volume up, and on the left, triple click volume down. What can I say about the sound quality? They're actually very good, especially for the price. I paid £40 here in the UK. The bass, it has enough bass, not too much and not too low. The overall sound is natural. It gives a nice clear radio and music sound. It does sound natural. There's no tinniness to these whatsoever. I would definitely recommend these if you prefer the open ear design of buds, since currently there are only the Apple AirPods available, or soon to be released Huawei FreeBuds 3. So that's a quick overview of the Sabat X12s Pro. Hit the subscribe button, hit that like. Thank you.